So, me and Goob are out here, just finished sanding some of the cabinets that are going to be painted green for the kitchen. I think I did a pretty darn good job sanding these. I think they look really nice and rustic and whatnot, and yeah, I'm proud. But we have to wipe them down. I did not know, well, I did kind of know, but I kind of forgot. I was about to prime them without cleaning them, and so Anthony went to go get a thing to clean them with. And documenting this is really good and fun. Also, our sander just died. Before it died, it was a really awesome sander. I love that it's pink. And it came with a case. I wasn't even...
die, it's exhausted.
It's exhausted, yeah. Wow, that looks even cleaner and nicer.
Wow.
There's Goob.
You're welcome.
A pro videographer. Hello, that looks really good.
Videographer?
Is that the wrong word? Video taker? That's good. All right. Anyway, I'm a big fan of this sander. We're not sponsored by anybody.
Oh. What's our discount code?
We don't have any discount codes because we're not cool yet.
We're not cool yet?
Yeah.
You're cool. You're kind of cool, and you're not really that cool.
Thanks. Anyway.
Oh, look how durable the Pink Power sander is. It fell right over and nothing happened.
It did. Very good.
Buy yours today.
Yeah. Anthony's doing all the hard work. Because I did all the hard work today while he was hard at work. Yes.
Ah, it's always hard.
Oh. All right, so we're gonna prime these cabinets. They're gonna dry overnight, and then I'm gonna figure out how to use the what's it called? Graco spray paint.
Paint gun.
Paint gun, and so the cabinets can have a nicer look and finish than the frames. So yeah, very exciting. Right.
That's gonna be our house. We're insane.
We're absolutely insane. Wow.
Nice to have this muscly on boy out here.
Wow.
Painting your camper for you, my dear.
Every day, 365.
It's the first time Anthony's painted anything on the camper.
Yeah. My first time actually doing something productive and not deconstructing.
Oh yeah. Time to paint. Prime. Not paint. Prime.
Prime.
Got Rosie working on priming the cabinets. Hello.
I did all those three all by myself.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm still working on this one.
Looks good.
I did all those finally.
You're doing fantastic.
All by myself.
All right, so I'd like to say that I'm a genius, but I mean, I don't know, whatever. Maybe somebody's come up with this before. So I was in a pickle trying to figure out a way to get these drawers to stand straight up to spray them. And I came up with this idea. I don't know if anyone's ever thought of it, but I took a cardboard box and I cut it out to the size of the rest of the drawer so that the top part that I need to spray would stick out. And it worked beautifully. So, very excited. So far, spraying is kind of a success, really time consuming. I think the paint that I'm using is kind of thick, so it's kind of spurting out a little weirdly, but it's working. I kind of had to come up with a bag to put in the sprayer because we bought this at the Restore and it just came like that. It didn't come with any of its accessories or paint bags, and I'm impatient, and so I didn't want to wait to order some $10 bags online, so I just used a Ziploc bag, cut it to size, and that's probably the reason why I've been having problems spraying. I don't know, or it's an old sprayer, but I only really need it for this project. So, and I started on the backs of the cabinets to test it out, and I think I'm feeling brave enough to flip them over and start on the front. This is a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt. What are you doing?
This is my house, and the floor is lava.
Good. You're staying
The
safe.
grass is lava, and my house is safe, and the camper's safe. I'm
Good.
walking in lava.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry.
I'm safe.
You're safe.
Yeah.
Good
Bye,
thing.
Mommy.
I'm glad you're safe. I'm melting. No, bleep, 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 bleep. There's Big Goob.
Hello.
There's little Goob. Got her set up for the day. In the shade, playing in her little pool. Alright, and I'm just having an allergy attack, but we are pretty much 1 month away from moving out of our home into this camper, and I'm gonna show you guys our progress so far. So I'm gonna show you my progress so far. Alright, so I'm gonna flip this camera around. Alright, so it's kind of messy right now, but we'll start with the kitchen. So I did finish all the green cabinets, thank goodness. They'll still need to be touched up a little bit. The spray gun we got was not super great. Re-epoxied the kitchen sink because it was the cheaper option instead of, because it used to be yellow, instead of buying a whole new sink. So temporary fix, maybe eventually we'll upgrade, we'll see. And then the original faucet here like used 3 holes, so I was like, what am I gonna do with the other 2 holes? And so I got 2 soap pumps from Amazon, and so we'll use one for hand soap and one for dish soap, and then that frees up more counter space. We don't have to put any soap on the sink, so that's good to know. All right, and got all the cabinets and the handles on. Backsplash, got that countertop. I need to do a second coat of this cream color. That's looking really nice. I'm really happy about these handles. I have to tell you guys though, the screws that came with these handles were not thick enough. So like when I'm pulling on them, like this one, it kind of comes right out. And especially because the locks are so secure, because it's a camper, it has to move, and so they get very stuck, and so the handles would come off before the door would open. So Anthony actually did this little trick where he, I don't know, made the hole bigger so the screw could go in further, and what we're going to do is spackle over these, sand them down and paint them, and so these handles aren't going anywhere. They are staying with this camper no matter what happens to it. So now I need to go through every handle and do that. Otherwise the handles will just pop right off, and we don't want that. So yeah, really happy with this cream color. Again, I need to do a second coat. Shout out to Anthony's mom for coming over one day last week. We just spent the whole day painting. We had a great time. All right, so I also got a black with our color palette, and we've started working on this entertainment center. We have kind of an idea of what we're gonna do here. See this line here? I'm thinking we're gonna paint all that black. So everything will be black. And then I'm thinking of doing like a wood mantle there. And then let me show you this really cool thing I got. This is a faux brick peel and stick. So we're gonna do that underneath the mantle line. So that'll be the bottom, and then just solid black at the top, and then we're gonna have to figure out how to install a TV, mount it somehow. This is an awkward shape. Again, it was built for like a heavy tube TV, so we're gonna have to get creative. So yeah, that's the entertainment center. Yesterday we did a lot of clearing out. Finally decided to get rid of the booths. A lot more space to work with. Again, need to do a second coat over here. We're gonna leave these cabinets open, And I'm going to use that leaf wallpaper as a backsplash on those cabinets. And we put the cabinet doors back on here. And I need to do the same thing to these handles because they, see, they're popping right off. I don't really want to open that and ruin it. But every time I open this, I just love it even more.
Tape measure in here?
Tape measure.
We are always looking for that.
I think we've lost it. We only have the teeny tiny one. Yeah. And then Goob is doing all the not fun stuff.
I hate it.
But
I love it, I mean.
Doing a fantastic job, and I'm so lucky to have him. I would not be able to do it by myself.
Oh my gosh, we have a real tape measure.
Whoa!
Wow, a carpentry tape measure.
Wow!
And it's not Rosie's pink one.
So I'm gonna follow Goob in here just to give a little update. Bathroom, we have done nothing.
Don't come in here, it's not done.
There's a lot to do in here.
Oh, it's never.
Yeah.
It'll never be the same again.
Which is okay. So there's a big hole in the ceiling, and we're just gonna have a entirely separate video for all this, but
It'll be good when it's done.
it'll be very good. He's doing great. See little baby Goob out there? Yep, putting her goggles on. I bought replacements for all of these.
I'll wire
Lying
those.
your way. Yeah.
A little bit. I need to get the wood that's sitting on the floor right there.
Okay. One more thing, we got the fridge here. It had big fake cabinet doors on it. I think they looked so ugly. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the laminate wood and put this contact paper. I'm falling in love with contact paper. It's magnetic, it's dry erase, whiteboard contact paper. So we're gonna cut to size laminate wood, put the contact paper on it, and we'll have an entire dry erase magnetic fridge. And I think that's really exciting. And then today I'm finally gonna get started on Rosie's room. Very excited. I think we're gonna have to take down the bunk bed so it'll be easier to prime and paint everything. I forgot how spacious this room was. We've been using it for storage. Rosie's got a really nice sized wardrobe. And last but not least, our next big project is buying and installing the flooring. That's it for an update right now. Anthony's starting the power tools anyway, so good timing. Stay tuned. Doo-doo-doo.